I heard you want to be outside this summer, but is your hair ready to be outside? Come with me and I'll show you what your hair needs right now. Here we are, ready to make aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is just an amazing plant for the hair. Normally, when you think about making aloe vera gel, you think about using the plant. But this time around, we're not going to use the plant. I'll tell you the secret that big companies are using. The secret is aloe vera juice. I know a lot of people love to use the aloe vera, the fresh aloe vera plant to make the gel. But hear me out. When you use aloe vera juice, you'll get a consistent texture, a consistent product every single time. This method is more practical, stable, consistent, and scalable for manufacturing. I'm sure you're asking yourself, but how are we going to turn aloe vera juice into gel? It is very simple. We're going to add a gum to this juice. But before we add the gum to the juice, we need to disperse the gum into glycerin. In this case, I'm going to use 2 different gums so we can compare the textures at the end of it. Another question you might have is why you have to disperse gum into glycerin. Why can't you just add the gum directly into the juice? Dispersing gums into glycerin helps prevent clumping and gives a smoother hydration. This is because when the gum touches water directly, the outside hydrates instantly and forms a little gel lump, whereas the inside of those lumps stay dry, making the gum difficult to fully dissolve. This is why in my videos you see me dispersing the gums into glycerin always before adding to the product. Trust me, the glycerin acts like a wetting and dispersing ingredient, which will allow us to have a smooth gel with no clumps. You can also use a immersion blender when you're adding the gum. As I said before, I'm using 2 different types of gum, and let me know in the comments which one do you prefer or which one do you use the most out of the 2 gums that I'm going to use. And mix. Now both gums are fully hydrated. Let's move to the first gum. I'm going to add the gum mixture slowly into this beaker. The reason why I decided to use this method as opposed to using the fresh aloe vera plant is due to consistency in formulation. Different aloe vera leaves will have different water content, which will result in different consistencies. Also, the pH can change. Also, the freshness and the age can affect the performance of the gel. Using a fresh aloe vera plant can lead to a shorter shelf life and stability problems. Let's talk about the benefits of this plant. It provides up to twice the moisturizing power of glycerin, leaves skin and hair feeling soft, smooth, and well conditioned, enhances shine, thickness, and manageability in hair. It is lightweight and non-greasy, is water soluble and easy to incorporate in formulations. And the most important, it is a natural ingredient. It also helps to reduce frizz and tangles. And now we're going to add the preservative. And we mix. We do the same thing with the other one. And we mix. This gel is the perfect gel for summer and spring because it's light, fresh, cooling, and non-greasy. During spring and summer, your hair is more exposed to the sun and heat, and aloe vera contains water binding compounds and humectant properties that can help the hair feel more hydrated and soft. Warm weather can increase scalp sweat, itchiness, irritation, discomfort, and aloe vera is often used because it has a soothing, refreshing sensation on the scalp. It works well with so many different hairstyles such as wash and goes, braid outs, twist outs, high puffs, and aloe vera gel can help define the hair, reduces frizz, adds a light hold, and provides sleep without heaviness. And don't be afraid to layer aloe vera gel with other products. It is also very popular as a base in other hair products, so you can make a refreshing spray, a lightweight leave-in conditioner, a curl refresher, a botanical gel, you name it. After testing both versions, the Guaguam version won for me. The texture was so much smoother and more satisfying to use. Meanwhile, the other gum felt way more slimy and kinda snotty. Same aloe vera juice, completely different results. It's actually amazing how one ingredient can totally change the texture of a formula. Formulation is about trial and error. Sometimes a formula sounds good on paper, then the texture, feel, or performance turns out to be completely different once you make it. Thank you for watching this video, and Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.